Okay, so we've been asked to prove one of the circle theorems. We want to prove that the angle BOC is twice the angle BAC. Okay, so the way we go about this is by using known facts about shapes, and we know that if we've got an isosceles triangle, then we know base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. We don't need to prove that because we can assume that's a known fact. So the way we prove this theorem is we draw another radius from the centre point 0, or O, the origin, to A. That then creates two isosceles triangles, so we know that that length is equal to that length is equal to that length. And literally we can say then that if we call this angle x, because base angles are equal, that must also be x. So therefore this angle must be 180 minus 2x. And if we call this y, then this must be y. We can't call it x because we don't know that these two are going to be identical. Depends on where the radius line here is on the circle. So we'll have to call it a separate letter in this case. So this angle here then must be 180 minus 2y. We know that the angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So we know that 180 minus 2y plus 180 minus 2x plus angle BOC must equal 360 degrees. So angle BOC must equal, well, if we subtract 180 from both sides, then 180, that's 360, then that's going to be 0. Take 2x plus there, so 2x plus 2y. So when we rearrange this, then we find that angle BOC must be 2x plus 2y. Angle BAC is equal to x plus y. So we can see that that angle there is equal to x plus y. If we factorise this, then that's 2 times x plus y. So we've got a therefore BOC must equal 2 times BAC. And that's what the proof requires by generating this. And you'd have to just say that base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. So OCA equals OAC. So we're just basically showing why that was true. Again, the proof is about showing it all. And the algebra would do it though. So if you wanted to leave it just as that, that's fine, but you should really justify why you've chosen those things. And you've shown on the picture that you've created your isosceles triangle and so forth.